Blizzard time. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I've got a wonderful feeling. It's coming my way. So, everything I had to do today was canceled. I had an improv show and I was going to see a drag show tonight. But it is, once again, the snowpocalypse. And what is one to do but look fabulous and go jump in a big pond? That is my mission. I don't think it's going to be. I am from Michigan. I couldn't even make it all the way to the park. Oh yeah, that's cold. I think I win the blizzard. Ooh. By the way, if you're wondering, I live in Brooklyn, New York, and this is the lovely Saturday that we're having. I'm certainly enjoying myself. My roommate refused to come outside with me, but, you know. I officially think it's time for Coco. I hope that you are all having a lovely blizzard weekend. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, but I could barely even get my keys out of my pocket. My hands are so cold. Oh, yeah. I look good.